shit rolls downhill. Estelle. Yeah, I don't want her to eat her poop. Forget it. She's all puffing up. Having the high ground.